Is your phone screaming about being full? And are you tired of deleting precious photos and videos? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to move apps to your SD card and reclaim that precious internal storage, making your phone run smoother. But first, it's important to know that not all apps allow this functionality, so keep that in mind throughout this process. First, let's head into your phone's settings. You can usually find this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding the Settings app in your app drawer. Now, scroll down until you find something like Apps, Applications, or App Manager. Tap on it. This is where you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find the app you want to move to your SD card and tap on it. This will open the app's information page. On this page, look for the storage option and tap on it. This will show you how much space the app is taking up and where it's currently stored. If the app supports being moved to the SD card, you'll see a change button. It might also say something like Move to SD card. Tap on this button. If you do not see this button, this means the app doesn't allow being moved to the SD card. A pop-up window will appear, giving you the option to choose between internal storage and SD card. Select SD card. Your phone will now start moving the app's data to the SD card. This might take a few minutes, depending on the size of the app. Make sure you don't interrupt the process. Once it's done, the storage location on the app info page will now show SD card. Congratulations, you've successfully moved the app. Repeat these steps for other compatible apps.